Hello, so I'm Jillian and I did 1984 for my book summary. So this story by George Orwell follows the story of a man named Winston Smith who lives in Oceania, a society where a group of people called the Party, led by an entity known as Big Brother, controls, regulates, and governs your thoughts and everything that you say and do. Orwell makes it known that Winston despises the Party and knows in his heart that there is more to life than what is fed to them through the media and the thought police. The thought police are exactly what it sounds like. Those of the Party who keep a close eye on people and what they say and do. One day, Winston meets a woman named Julia who discloses to him that she also hates the Party with a passion. They decide to meet up regularly and make love and talk in confidence about their disdain for Big Brother and society as a whole. On one particular day, however, they're apprehended by the thought police through the betrayal of Winston by Julia herself. Near the end of the story, Winston is sent to a facility run by the higher-ups of the Party to be brainwashed into being part of a society that he hated. Now, you might be asking yourself how this classifies as fantasy, as most would usually classify it as science fiction. But it is a work of fiction that can be classified as fantasy for its time, because it is imperative to keep in mind that George Orwell wrote 1984 in 1948, when the technology that we see in the book, such as telescreens, were completely out of the question and a crazy thing to think about. This kind of technology would have been so unfathomable for the target audience that they would most likely consider it a real fantasy. And the overarching message of this book, since it was written in 1948, Nazi Germany was in full swing, and Orwell was trying to warn people about the danger of a totalitarian government and communism, and where we would end up in the future if we kept going in that direction. This is apparent in the description of Big Brother himself when he seems to model the character after Adolf Hitler explicitly, who was in fact the leader of the Nazi Party at the time. All right. That is my video. Have a great day, guys.